In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and publish a form in Paperform. To get started, open Google Chrome and sign into your Paperform account. Using Chrome can help ensure everything loads smoothly and gives you the best experience while building your form. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Paperform workspace where you can create and manage your forms. From there, click Create Form to open a blank page. This gives you a fresh starting point so you can build your form exactly the way you want. One of the nice things about Paperform is that it feels less like a traditional form builder and more like working in a simple document editor, which makes the setup process feel much more natural. On the blank page, type directly onto the form to add your content. You can write questions, headings, and text instructions just as if you were typing into a document. This makes it easy to create a form that feels clear and polished for the people who will fill it out. As you build, try to keep your wording simple and direct so respondents understand exactly what each question is asking. When you want to adjust the rules for a question, click the Configure Settings icon on the right side of that question. In this area, you can toggle required rules on or off. Marking a question as required is helpful when you need to make sure people don't skip important information. If a field is optional, you can leave that setting turned off to make the form feel easier and faster to complete. After your questions are in place, go to Theme to customize the look of your form. Here, you can adjust colors, branding, and layouts to better match your style or the look of your organization. This step is important because a well-designed form not only looks more professional, but can also make the experience more engaging and easier to navigate. Once everything looks the way you want, click Publish. After publishing, copy the share link so you can distribute your form to others. You can send that link wherever you plan to collect responses, whether that's through a website, message, or another communication channel. Before sharing, it's always a good idea to quickly review your form one last time to make sure the questions, required settings, and theme choices all appear correctly. And that's it. You've now created and published a form in Paperform from start to finish.